Imagine how much more sustainable our food systems can become if farm animals lived longer, healthier lives. It takes just one bright idea to make it possible. We thought about the impact nutrition has on livestock farming and then looked towards science to come up with solutions. The result? Smartly designed nutritional plans that improve animal health and welfare at every stage of life. Through optimum vitamin nutrition, dairy cows develop sturdier hooves and suffer less from dermatitis, which results in better mobility and the willingness to feed, and ultimately improves milk production. Hens that have stronger bones through optimum vitamin and mineral nutrition lay longer and produce stronger, more robust eggs with less breakages, thereby reducing food loss and waste. Optimum vitamin nutrition also improves bone strength and reduces leg and frame weakness in swine, resulting in sows that produce healthier piglets and extending their lifetimes. This is how we use our science to help transform animal production to meet the demands of now and the future. To feed the world's population more sustainably and more responsibly. If not us, who? If not now, when? We make it possible.